So we're here again today with the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic, and it's been raining, but my windshield wipers need to be changed. I'm going to do a quick video on how to do that, and in just a few moments we'll get right into the video. Doing this windshield wiper, when I'm working on the passenger side of the truck, one of the first things I do is I remove my antenna. I have a hard antenna instead of an invisible one, as they say. The easy way to do it, just take a pair of pliers, unscrew it gently, then you can kind of just unscrew it out. Now take it, as I put it back in, of course you just screw it back in. But I find that if I move this out of my way, I can get up on my stool. I have a little more freedom without the antenna being right here. So when you're removing these wiper blades, it's fairly easy to do. I'm on a little step stool just because I'm just shorter, I think. I don't know, I'm not sure. But anyway, you want to raise the wiper arm up. Sometimes you'll have a little door right here or a little flap. You may need to raise that up. This particular blade doesn't have one. You're going to see a little tab on the back side right here. You're going to place your finger under there, raise up on that tab, and just push the blade back towards the other side. Just like that. And it should pop off. Try to hold this arm. This arm is spring-loaded right here. And I don't know if you can see that. Spring-loaded right here. And it's fairly strong, so be careful that that doesn't fall against your windshield because it could potentially damage it right here. And of course, make sure your wiper blades aren't on and there's no keys in there, because if this arm was to come on, it would probably put a pretty significant scratch in your windshield going forward, and then you'd have to deal with that. We mentioned this is a J-hook blade, a J-hook right here. This is going to be a big J-hook, or large. To put the blade back on, you're going to do just the opposite. You're just going to slide it over the top. You're going to pull. When you hear it snap, give it a quick tug, and it's pretty much all there is to it. Now your blade's on. This truck takes 20 inches, 22. I don't know if C22 has to do with the inch, but this truck takes 20-inch blades on both sides. Some vehicles do take different sides on the driver's side or the passenger side, or if there's a rear windshield wiper on the rear windshield wiper. But that's all there is to this. Then I will take my antenna and I'll just screw it back down. I keep my antenna fairly loose because I do go through a automatic washer here in my hometown, and because I don't have invisible antennas, they say, I unscrew this so that it doesn't get knocked off. So I just kind of finger tighten that, and that's the end. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope if this video adds some value to you when you're trying to work on your cars, please leave me a comment below. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.